Every waterfowl hunter knows that by the end of the season, the waterfowl have seen about as many decoy spreads and about as many setups as you can imagine. Every trick a waterfowl hunter can do, they've already seen. They're experienced, they're educated, and they're not stupid. We got to give as much effort as we have. We got to get out there. There is very, very, very small room for error. What's the secret to success? We here at Podunk Productions like to trust in a company called the Rubber Dub Decoy Company. Unmatched realism. We don't have any problems with birds flaring because the paint schemes on these things are so realistic. Maybe you've done all your scouting, maybe you got a good hide, and maybe you're not finishing birds. Well, maybe it's time to swap out those old decoys for a brand new 24 pack of these Rubber Dub decoys. It is so beautiful when a nice plan comes together. Alright everybody, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a comment down below and tell us that you enjoyed it. We might put some more of these things together eventually. One of the reasons why we made this video is waterfowl season is coming to a close here in the area that we live, and so we kind of ran out of footage. Goose season will start back up again in February, and we might have a few duck hunts to show you, but we are going to wait towards the end of February to start releasing those so that we can release them on a regular basis. After that, we got turkey season, so subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and we'll see you in the future.